Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys have been wondering where I've been. I'm sorry I've been absent because I'm babysitting and it's taken a lot of my time. My daughter went back on tour and she's on the culture tour with New Edition. So I'm very proud of her and very excited all at the same time. So I've been babysitting her babies. I don't know if you guys know what it's like to keep a 3-year-old and a 6-year-old. It's not easy. Okay, so with that said, I'm back. And I'm going to come back as often as I can until the tour is over. I think it's done around the middle of next month sometime, so I'll be back to upload more often. But I'm going to upload as often as I can while she's out on tour as well. For this DIY, I'll be using 4 of these canvases from Dollar Tree, and they're from the $3 and $5 section. Again, I'll be using 4 of these canvases. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this one up. I also have some of the all-purpose caulk from Dollar Tree. And I also have the spatula that I picked up at Dollar Tree. You can also use the 3-piece plastic spatula set, but they didn't have any, so I went ahead and picked this up. So I'm going to make this into a textured canvas, and I'm just simply going to put some of the caulk on top to give it the texture. Now I don't want it too textured because I'm going to add something else to it. So it's going to be textured but flat all at the same time. I'm going to do all 4 canvases the same exact way. Then I'll come back and move on to the next step. Okay everyone, I'm back and I am done adding texture to all 4 canvases. I have 2 here and this one is at an angle, and this particular table is not long enough for me to show you everything. So what I'm going to do is glue these 2 pieces together flat. And to do that, I'm going to use this liquid nails. And I found this at Walmart for less than $2. And this little gun was around $3, so $5. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put this at an angle so you can see it. And then I'm going to take a popsicle stick, let me catch this from running, and just smooth it out. So what I'm going to do is take this into another room. I'm going to put both pieces together like this, just like that. And then I'm going to use these clips on the back to clip them together. You can also use a clip like this, but it needs to be larger. But these are like the potato chip bag clips that Dollar Tree sells. And this is another one that I'll be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and move this into another room. Clip these on and let you see what it looks like. I have some paper under where the 2 pieces meet. Here I glued the other 2 canvases together. Then I used these large clips from Dollar Tree to glue both sets together. Here's what it looks like on the front of the canvases after they dry for 24 hours. This is what I'm going to use to decorate my picture. I have 4 of these mats, and I found them at Ross. And when I saw them, I was like, oh my God, these are so beautiful. I definitely need to do a DIY with them. 2 I'm going to keep perfectly round, and then 2 I'm going to cut in half. And now once I put it on a picture, I still might have to trim some of it. I like to start in the middle. So now I'm going to take these two out with the other pieces and line them up on my picture and let you see what it looks like. And I have the mats on it exactly how I'm going to decorate it. I'll glue the mats to the canvases with this Gorilla Spray adhesive. And I picked this up at Amazon.com and I'll link it below in the description box. So what I'm going to do is take these mats outside, flip them over like this, and then spray them with the adhesive spray, bring them back, and then press them down on top of my canvases. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, come back. The instructions on the spray adhesive said it's best to spray both surfaces, so I sprayed some here on the canvas as well. And I also sprayed some on the back of the mat. So now I'm just going to carefully line this up and then press it down. Ahead of time, I went ahead and glued all the other pieces down. So now everything is glued. I'm going to set this aside. I'm actually going to put this on the porch and let this dry for about an hour. Then I'll come back and I think I'm going to add a little bit of gold leaf. And then we'll be done. Okay, it's been about an hour and now I have some gold leaf. And I found this at Amazon.com and I'll link it below. And I also have some of the adhesive. I'll link it below as well. Please excuse the bottle top. It's very sticky and it attracts everything. And I also have these paint brushes. So now I'm going to add some gold leaf to my picture. Now you can totally skip this part if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. Then I'll come back and add the gold leaf and then determine if I need to add any more. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so it has been about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to take some of my gold leaf and put it on top of the adhesive. So I'm going to go ahead and take my vacuum cleaner and vacuum up the excess and maybe add a little bit more here and there, we'll see. And here's my beautiful piece of wall art. And I'm absolutely in love with it, and it turned out exactly the way I pictured it to be. No pun intended. I really love the design of the mats, the texture that I applied to the canvas, the color, and I also love the gold leaf. It's absolutely gorgeous. And it's perfect for this wall in my dining room. Okay everyone, this concludes my DIY. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.